This is a video of the Transfluid Bender we have at our floor here. Simple machine. I've got, that's for your 1.25 inch, 225 center line radius tooling. We are missing the block, it appears. This one is for a 41.3 millimeter on it. You've got all the 4 pieces for the tooling set on it. Controller, you got it with a 4-station. It is a mandrel bender. You can see we got the mandrel in it. We got two extra mandrel bars there on it. I'll take some measurements and send those to you guys. You got the mandrel there, mandrel in the die set. The way it works, that's the 1.5 inch that's in there now. The way it works, you want to come over here and hold the camera, Mike. Hold that right there. I'm going to show them the bend. It's videotaping now. So I've got at a 92.5 degree bend. Again, clamp on and then bend on. And then 92.5 is what position 1 is. It stops at 92.5. You turn clamp it off. And then you bring it to the next. You flip it for position 2 at 180 degrees. Clamp it. Bend on. I've got that set again at 180 degrees. Clamping off. And then you can bring it back to the 0 point. Hydraulics sound good. That's pretty much for the operation of the machine. I will send pictures. Again, just a quick scope. That's the tooling that exists with this machine right now. You do have the dead stops for the machine, where you just flip them down and move the mandrel forward from there. So it's 120 inches. And again, if you need any more video, let me know. I'll shoot this over to you guys.